Wittified's Delegated Admin Pro for JIRA offers many benefits to both administrators and users. Admins can choose which trusted users can be allowed to select a different scheme to use for a project, or edit a scheme already used by a project. Delegated Admin Pro comes with plenty of safeguards to ensure no harm can come to your projects. Let's take a look at how easy it is for an administrator to set up the delegation. This is the main configuration screen. The Delegated Scheme section in the left sidebar lists each type of JIRA scheme that supports delegated administration. Delegation works much the same for each scheme type, so let's start with a field configuration scheme. On the right are two sections. The left section allows you to disable delegation of this scheme, or indicate which schemes of this type can be administered by non-admins. All schemes can be supported by clicking here. You can select the Exclude option and then click the plus sign for each scheme for which you do not want to allow delegated administration. Or you can select the Only Specific Schemes option to choose only the schemes for which you do want to allow delegated administration. We'll include all schemes for now. On the right, choose who can do the administration of this scheme type. Your choices are no one, the project lead, or anyone with the administer project permission. Let's choose that one. Issue type, permission, and notification schemes support one additional feature. On the right side, you can see a new column labeled Modify. For each role to which you want to delegate administration of this scheme type, you can also choose Modify, which allows those users to edit the scheme instead of or in addition to being able to select a different scheme. There are a few more settings an administrator can configure. Available Groups comes into play if you allow trusted users to modify a permission or notification scheme. When they do that, they can, of course, choose Groups. This page allows the administrator to be selective about which groups can be chosen. You can allow no groups to be chosen, all groups, all but certain groups, or only specific groups. Let's leave it so any group can be selected. You can also indicate who can select groups in notification and permission schemes. Let's let people with the Administer Project permission do it. Available issue types comes into play if you allow trusted users to modify an issue type scheme. When they do that, they can, of course, select issue types. This page allows the administrator to be selective about which issue types can be selected. As we saw a moment ago, you have several options here, including allowing all issue types to be available, all but certain issue types, or only specific issue types. Let's leave it so all issue types are available. Now that we've configured Wittified's Delegated Admin Pro add-on to identify who can select or modify each type of scheme, non-admins can do much of the routine maintenance work on their own projects, freeing up the JIRA administrator for more important work. Visit Atlassian Marketplace today to start a free trial of Wittified's Delegated Admin Pro for JIRA add-on.